is for ball, ball. B is for bat, bat. B is for bear, bear. B is for bear, bear. Let's sing it loud, let's sing it clear. The letter B is here, oh dear. B says ba. B says ba. B is for ball and banana too. B is for bear and for you. Big B, small b, we can write and say. The letter B makes learning fun today.
B is for ball, ball. B is for bat, bat. B is for banana, banana. B is for bear, bear. Let's sing it loud, let's sing it clear. The letter B is here, oh dear. Great work, friends! You've learned the letter B, its sound, words, and how to write it. You did brilliantly. Next time, we'll learn the cool letter C. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more alphabet and phonics fun. Bye-bye, B. Bye-bye, friends. See you.
Hello, like on this video, subscribe, press the bell icon and share on this video your family, friends and other WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.